Welcome to the Diyotta Resource Library, and thanks for watching how Diyotta can help you enable rapid data ingestion, processing, and provisioning of your data with multiple platform data architectures. Unlike other ETL tools, Diyotta was built for the modern data architectures where data can be processed natively in the most optimized fashion. Diyotta also scales in all dimensions with its agent-based architecture and optimizes the data movement across several data points in a seamless and efficient manner. This makes Diyotta Hadoop ready, Spark ready, and Cloud ready. This video will familiarize you with the fundamentals of data ingestion using the Data Movement Wizard. This built-in wizard allows users to quickly build data flow and move data from supported sources to any target. In this demonstration, we will explore how to use the Data Movement Wizard to quickly build a simple data ingestion pipeline from MySQL to Redshift. Let's get started and review the detailed steps involved in this process. Let's create a data flow by clicking on Data Movement Wizard. Select Redshift as the native processing platform. The wizard takes us through the steps of define, source, target, and data flow. We will review each of these steps as we create the data flow. In Define step, we can provide the name and description of the data flow. Click Next. The Source step guides us to provide the details of the source data point and data object that we want to ingest. We can either select or create a new data point for source. In this example, I will create a new data point. Select MySQL database and enter the data point name, then click OK. Click on the data point. Here we can view the details of the data point in the sliding window. Under Properties, specify the host, provide the credentials, and define the database. Let's test the data point. The data point is established. Close the window and click Next. Next, we need to define the source data objects. Provided that we selected a previously defined data point and imported the respective data objects, we can proceed and select the data objects. In this example, let's import the MySQL data objects from the data point we created earlier. This takes us to the connection details. Click Next and view the list of data objects. We can also view data of the object we want to import by clicking on Data View. We will import 4 data objects for this illustration. Click Next. The Target step lets us provide the details of the target data point and data object for ingestion. We can either select or create a new data point for target. We will be using the predefined data point for Redshift. Let's select the Redshift data point. Diyotta automatically creates the target schema, which is compatible with the target data point. By default, attributes are mapped one-to-one from source to target without any where cause. Click on the target object to view the details in the sliding window. Under the Attribute Mapper tab, we can verify that the attributes of the source and target are mapped one-to-one. Close the window. Diyotta also provides the provision to apply universal changes to all the data objects at once. Select a data object and click on Bulk Changes. We can truncate before load, create a target, and also specify the prefix and suffix that we want to append for object names. Click on Apply to All and verify that the object names are updated. Click Next. Save the data flow and click Finish. This opens the data flow design in Canvas. We have completed a simple data flow pipeline using the Data Movement Wizard. In case we want to view this data flow again in the wizard or make any changes, click on Open Data Movement Wizard. Make any necessary changes, save, and click Finish to view the data flow design. Let's run the data flow. To check the execution status, either click on View Execution Status or go to the Activity screen in the Monitor module. The execution has succeeded. Select the data flow and view the operational statistics, review logs, and history of the data flow. To view and verify the data in the target database, let's go back to Studio, open the data flow, and toggle the Interactive button to On to enable the View Data feature for the objects in the data flow. Diyotta allows us to view data live at any stage within the data flow with its easy-to-use interface. Select the target object and click on the Data tab in the lower pane. we have successfully loaded the data into the target object. This demonstration shows that we can quickly ingest data using the Data Movement Wizard with the sequence of defined steps. This concludes the short tutorial on data ingestion using the Data Movement Wizard. Thanks for watching. Visit support.diyotta.com for additional knowledge base articles and tutorials.